SEBI chairman has to be removed from that position. The person who have no credibility at all cannot continue as a SEBI chairperson. From district level to state level to national level, there will be a massive national campaign on.
संविधान के अनुसार जनगणना की जिम्मेदारी केंद्र सरकार की होती है, राज्य सरकारों की नहीं।
We had convened a meeting of AICC General Secretaries, in charges and PCC Presidentship under the leadership of Honorable Congress President Mallikarjuna Kharge ji, including Leader of Opposition Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi. 56 leaders attended in this meeting. Out of 56, 38 people had given their valuable suggestions on the agenda of the meeting. Basically, today we had discussed about one of the biggest scam is happening in the country nowadays that is Hindenburg revelations, the scam related to Adani and SEBI. We unanimously decided to have a national-wide agitation on this issue, demanding two things. One is a JPC inquiry on Adani Mega scam, in which the Prime Minister is fully involved and in which the financial market regulation has now been found to have been severely compromised. Honorable Congress President and Rahul Gandhi ji already put forward their view very strongly. Today, the meeting of the General Secretaries and in charges and PCC President unanimously supported that view, and we have adopted that there will be a massive national level agitation on 22nd of August throughout the country. In state headquarters, we will gharav the Enforcement Directorate office. Thousands of Congress workers will gharav the ED office in each state capital on 22nd, demanding these two issues. One is SEBI chairman has to be removed from that position. The person who have no credibility at all cannot continue as a SEBI chairperson. Number two, there should be a JPC inquiry on this mega scam. This is the one issue we had discussed. Number two, we had again reiterated our demand of a national wide caste census from the Government of India. We demanding for an announcement of national caste census without any delay at all. Therefore, we decided to have a national campaign on these issues, including the caste census and protection of the constitution and reservation issues. Therefore, we will chalk out the program in details in coming days, and party from district level to state level to national level, there will be a massive national campaign on these social issues. The meeting has already condoled the tragic death of Wayanad landslide, and we already demanded Wayanad disaster has to be announced as a national disaster. Already that leader of opposition put forward that idea in the Lok Sabha itself. And we already discussed about the natural calamities which happened in other parts of Uttarakhand, Himachal, Assam and northeastern states. We urged upon the government to make necessary help to the states, including Wayanad. Regarding the Bangladesh issue, meeting called upon the Government of India to take all possible steps to ensure that targeted attacks on religious minorities and their places of worship Bangladesh are stopped and to ensure that they are enabled to lead a life of security, dignity, and harmony. These things we already said it in the meeting. We are going for again I am repeating, we are going for a national campaign on social issues like caste census, constitution protection and reservation. Number 2, we are going for a national level agitation on Bada Adani scam. Third, about the landslide and natural calamities, we took a resolution. Fourth, requesting the government of India to take immediate steps to protect the religious minority of Bangladesh.
3 मुद्दे पर बात हुई। एक, जेपीसी की मांग हमने दोहराया है। अडानी महाघोटाले के संदर्भ में 1 साल से हम मांग कर रहे हैं और जिस तरीके से अभी नए खुलासे आए हैं उस और भी महत्व रखता है कि जेपीसी का गठन जल्द से जल्द हो। दूसरी बात जो उन्होंने कही है, जिस पर बातचीत हुई, राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर केंद्रीय सरकार द्वारा जातिगत जनगणना करना जरूरी है। संविधान के अनुसार जनगणना की जिम्मेदारी केंद्र सरकार की होती है, राज्य सरकारों की नहीं। राज्य सरकारें सर्वेक्षण करते हैं, पर कास्ट सेंसस की जिम्मेदारी सिर्फ केंद्र सरकार को दी गई है हमारे संविधान में। और तीसरी बात जो वेणुगोपाल जी ने कही है, जिस पर काफी लंबी बातचीत हुई, कि जो हमने चुनाव के प्रचार के समय संविधान की सुरक्षा के बारे में हमने जो मुद्दे उठाए थे, संविधान के जो अनेक प्रावधान है सामाजिक, आर्थिक और राजनीतिक न्याय को लेकर, उसका पालन करना, प्रावधानों का पालन करना, संविधान को सम्मान देना, उस पर भी लंबी बातचीत हुई। और अगले कुछ ही दिनों में आप देखेंगे इन 3 मुद्दों को लेकर, जेपीसी, संविधान का सम्मान और जाति जनगणना, इन 3 मुद्दों को लेकर कांग्रेस पार्टी अलग अलग राज्यों में एक विशाल पब्लिक मोबिलाइजेशन कैंपेन का आयोजन करेगी।